my loves, I have missed you guys. Honestly, in this video I am going to be talking about profitable YouTube niches. There is no doubt that starting a YouTube channel requires a lot of dedication and hard work, but it takes something else. You have to do research about if the niche you're about to get into is a profitable one. That means in the nearest future, when your channel starts paying off, are you going to be earning something reasonable from this particular niche? Some people just start YouTube without doing any research, no form of research on if that topic you are going to be dwelling on is going to be profitable, or you might likely be investing your energy on something that is not going to be worth the while. Or do you think all YouTube channel ends the same? Please sit down, let me enlighten you. There is something called CPM, cost per mile. This is like a fancy term to say 1000k views. Yes, so this CPM, this cost per mile, is the amount of money that these ads people, these advertisers are willing to invest on that your video. What I mean is that the amount of money they are willing to pay to play ads on your video. Do you understand? It's called CPM. And this CPM, sit down, let me tell you something. It's not only your money. This CPM is the money that you and YouTube is going to share, because your video is on YouTube platform. You don't think it's free. YouTube is going to collect their own cut. YouTube's share is 45%. Do you understand? So that is almost half of your money. Imagine you are in a niche that the CPM in that niche is below $3 per 1k views. You know the amount you'll be getting, Abby? No need for me to do the calculation. So now get it into your head now that the money that advertisers are going to pay you and YouTube is called CPM, and the money that will come to you, your own 55%, is called RPM. That is revenue per 1,000 mile. Do you understand? So you don't even have to be focused on the CPM, just focus on the revenue. Because imagine you are seeing $3 in your dashboard, and when you are cashing out, you are seeing that the money reduced. Don't panic, it's your share that came to you, you understand? So in this video, I am going to be revealing 15 channel niches and how much is their average CPM. Hope at this point of the video, your heart is not doing like this because you did not do channel research and you don't know the CPM that your niche is collecting. No voila. So before I go further, let me thank my subscribers. You guys are legit family to me. I know they carry you na the play at all. So you see the stock videos that are playing on this channel. There is a link in the description box where you can go and download free stock videos that you can use on your YouTube channel. Don't say I know help you. No say I know help you. So I did research for 15, so I'm going to start from the lowest of this 15 to the highest. So coming up on number 15 is video games channel. Video games channel is obviously a popular niche on YouTube. Whether it's video game reviews, advanced walkthroughs, streaming, or simply gameplay videos, gaming content can earn passionate YouTubers money. However, you have to have massive views to make a good living out of this. Video games channel earn an average CPM of $1.40. So when YouTube takes their 45%, do the maths. I did not say they are not successful video game channels, but just so you know that it is not what this channel is earning, that is what this other channel is earning. Do you understand? So coming up next on my list as number 14 is music channels. I'm sure you'd want to know how much musical artists earn from streamings they get on YouTube. Music channels earn... Subscribe to my channel. If not, I will not tell you. Music channel earns an average CPM of $1.46. So coming up next at number 13 is bodybuilding and fitness channels.
Fitness and bodybuilding content has seen a significant rise in population. From workout routines and beginners yoga to very specific topics, YouTube audiences flock to fitness channels to help them reach their body goals. So you see, it's quite popular.
Bodybuilding and fitness channels earn an average CPM of $1.60. Up next at number 12 is reviews and reactions. The average CPM for reviews and reaction is $2.03. Coming up next at number 11 is the tech and gadget niche.
When it comes to this particular niche, there is a range of CPM rates. For example, photography YouTubers earns the highest when it comes to this tech niche. Then again, there's the car channels. These people earn differently as well. But the CPM of the general tech channel is
$2.29. The next on my list, coming up at number 10, is, drum roll, the cooking niche.
More and more people are turning to YouTube for recipe inspiration, to boost their kitchen skills, or to marvel at other people's amazing creation, because who doesn't like food? Who?
The average CPM for cooking channel niche is $2.50. Coming up next as number 9 is the entertainment niche. This is so popular. This ranges from, movies, comedy, skits, and stuff like that. So the average CPM for this niche is $2.74. So the next on my list, coming up at number 8, is fashion and clothing niche. The average CPM for fashion niche is $3.13. Coming up at number 7 is a very, very, very popular niche, and I'm sure most of you are on this niche. Coming up at number 7 is a lifestyle niche.
Lifestyle content creators love to give their viewers a good show, and trust me, if you have a fan base that love you, they want to know what's going on in your life. Though this is a quite competitive niche, but there's something special about it. It's the experience people share and how relatable it is. Even if some of your viewers do not aspire to live the kind of life that you live, but your vlog or your lifestyle could be inspiring somebody, so who knows?
So the average CPM for lifestyle niche is $3.47. So the next on my list, coming up at number 6, is cars. Talking about cars, this is a very expensive niche. Like, you have to have a lot of money to be buying cars and talking about them, unless you work with like a car industry and you have access to cars and stuff like that. So the average CPM for car niche is $4.23. So now it's remaining the top 5, the odogus, I want to remind you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and be part of the family, honestly, because my subscribers, I know they carry on a joke. I don't joke with you guys, okay? Hit the subscribe button, like this video, so that the algorithm is going to know that this is good content, because so many people are just starting YouTube blindly. They don't know these things. So please help somebody and help me too, because this does good for me as well, Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate. So coming up as number 5, drum roll, photography and filmmaking. The average CPM for photography and filmmaking is $7.31. So these guys are doing well for themselves, Up next at number 4, which I fall in, is educational videos. These are so sought after because day in, day out, people are requesting for knowledge. People want to learn. People want to, know new things. People want to be enlightened. So it's a very, very lucrative niche. It can never be saturated because every knowledge is different. I've said it before. People teach differently. People receive information differently. So if you can teach, if you know what you are saying, you know what you are doing, why not focus on educational content? So the average CPM for educational videos is $9.89. So coming up at number 3 is personal finance and investing. This is another gold mine, honestly, because you see these people that teach about crypto, that teach about forex, that teach about anything that has to do with finance, personal investment, how to invest money, how to multiply money. They are making money. Oh, let me not talk too much. They are making money. The average CPM of people that talk about personal finance and investing, you want to know? I'll tell you. The average CPM of personal finance and investing is $12.25. That's a whole lot of money. I wish I knew something like this. Coming up at number 2, the second most profitable paying niche on YouTube is social media marketing. You guys.
Digital marketers know exactly how to showcase and sell what they do. Through YouTube SEO, for instance, they address an audience of entrepreneurs and small businesses. For advertisers and sponsors, this is a very valuable target demographic. As a creator in this space, it's especially easy to diversify your traffic channels as well.
The average CPM for social media marketing is $12.41. Wow. Now the last but the highest, when I say the highest, the oga pata of them all, I have beef with most of them. You don't have to have a massive following to make cool cash in this particular niche I'm about to say. Just come outside and lie, spew out lies upon lies, and you'll be making money. People are going to listen because most people are very gullible when it comes to this kind of information, because in fact they will carry their own phone and Google it with their own hand. So the most profitable YouTube niche is make money online videos. You see this niche, people are cashing out.
In as much as most creators around this niche are quite misleading, it doesn't mean there are no honest creators. Like for example, if a make money online creator says it's good investment to start a YouTube channel because it might later be successful, or growing your social media accounts, he's quite honest.
So the average CPM of make money online videos is $13.52. Now you know how much ads advertisers are willing to pay to play ads on your channel. So when you come across a channel, you automatically know how much the channel is earning. Did you subscribe? I believe you. If you want to learn how to make fake background, make sure you check this video over here. If you want to learn how to make end screen like I did now, make sure to check this video over here. Do well to drop a comment, do well to drop a like. My name is Favour Matthew. See you on my next video. Bye.